Hello guys, welcome to a new vlog. Today we are gonna play jailbreak today. So yeah, but I do not know how. We'll try to get a key card and rob everything today, guys. Because in previous video we didn't rob anything. So yeah, today we're gonna rob museum, bank, power plant, zoo, bank, and everything, and get money. Yeah. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like. 15 subscribers and 50 likes for the next video. And that too guys, happy Halloween to you guys actually. So yeah. Um okay, starting over. Yeah. Well, can just take some time please? YouTube. Guys, just wait guys. Wait is Roblox. Delete it. No, you didn't download it. I was about to. Okay guys. My brother was trying to do something with me right now. So he's just beside me. What did I do? Shut up. Shut up. Okay, I don't want to scold you, please. Please don't irritate me. Guys, I'm so angry at my brother because he's so irritating to me. So guys, sorry for that. So hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Guys, you saw some of the videos that my friend Akshay Ramprasad I mean I don't want to say his full name because it's gonna be insulting for him. So he's my friend Akshay. His full name is Akku Dragon Blaster, as we saw in few videos. We played with him in Murder Mystery 2, and my voice was not there because there were some technical problems in that. So yeah, now there are no technical problems. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm saying the third time, guys. Oh my god. Okay, let's play then. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Sick woman. Woman. Guy. Yeah. Where are polices? Oh, there's a police there. I wish I'd come in that thing. Let me see. Um. Uh, key. Key. Sorry. Key, please. I found one. Can you just give me? I think I have to go on the other side. Oh, it's just wait. You know, we're gonna get the key card, guys. No, there's this police. Okay, there's a police over there. No. I'm gonna arrest. So, no, do not. No! Why? I just needed a key, please. Here. Is this something? Where am I situated? Guys, what is this? Oh, my friend Kubla. Guys, which I told you about that. My friend Q blog. Wanna say hi Q. As I told in the previous video, guys. Ouch, ouch, ouch. After reset my character. Oh my god. Ugh, ugh, ugh. I'm falling down. Seriously. Hi Q, see in the chat. Oh my god. Do I have anything? Did I getting anything? Thing. Nope. 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 Let's go. Baby. Q, Q, Q. Hello, happy Halloween. Okay, where is it gonna be as a prisoner? I wonder. Where is that photo? You, I'm not fellow. He's a friend. So call him a friend, not a fellow. Also, shame on. Hey, Q, Q. You, you just come here. Bro, where are you going? You? Oh, he has a slot. There, okay. Bro, take the gun on the. Bro, why did you take the gun? Huh? Huh? Yeah, జాగ్రత్త. Oh my god, why do I be quiet to you? Guys, here, Ultra Gamer is my friend here. He's just he's saying please key. Okay, okay, just okay, fine. After asking where is he at? Where is he? Right? Second brother. Yeah, Adu. Okay. 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 I'm not scared because today's Halloween. Da- Guys, if you heard my dad's voice, he was trying to scare me, guys. So please don't think bad about it, guys. Okay. So guys, I was quiet for some time. I'm very sorry for that. So yeah. Okay, my friend Otto can. Okay. Oh yeah. He's in the desert. I needed to go and pick him up and then tell. Okay, and then I just go and pick him up. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Bro, guys, if my video ends automatically, it's a little bit problem of that. That sometimes it does and automatically. Yeah, I mean, bro, doesn't bro, YouTube being bro, guys. Bro, stop me with your catch. Yeah, okay. ముందు రూమ్ లో వచ్చి ఆడుకుంటా వస్తున్నా అక్కడే